folks, JD here, and today I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the Holy Stone that we flew yesterday. If you haven't seen it, and if you want to, you'll find the links in the description. So, basically, it's very, very difficult to pick a quadcopter these days, to fly it, to give you my thoughts, because there's so many on the market. Every different person has got a different opinion, which is great. And it's very, very hard to find something that just makes you smile. Everything tries to be overly complicated. Everything tries to be, this is the best app, this is the best quadcopter, you know, and sometimes you lose sight of the very nice, very basic quads. Well, I honestly think Holy Stone have done it again with a very nice, very basic quad. So this particular quadcopter doesn't have GPS, it doesn't have automatic return to home, it fails safe, it doesn't have a lot of things. Basically, what it has is 4 brushed motors and an optical flow sensor and a camera. The camera, yeah, well, you've guessed it, the camera is not very good. But then it's not meant to be. This is just for people who are getting into learning, who want to increase their skills. That's what I believe. Or just for the hobbyist like myself that just enjoys flying something ridiculously easy now and again. That just makes me smile. And that's exactly what this quadcopter did. It made me smile. And that's good. Having something that makes you happy is just fantastic. And every part of this particular flight was enjoyable. Every single part of it made me smile. I couldn't help but smile when it started to fly because it reminded me of a sausage. I couldn't help the fact that that just made me laugh so much because it did, and I think that's good. Oh, it looks like a chocolate eclair or a sausage. You get the drift. The brush motors hold it well. The optical flow sensor is fantastic. I like the fact that you have a ceiling on the drone, so you can keep on going up as high as you want, and it'll cut you off. I'm guessing around about 10 meters. You can't go any higher, and that's brilliant. And when you're flying it round, it is fun. No, it's not as acrobatic as some of the others. It's not as dainty, and it doesn't dance in the air as nice as some, but you know what, it's fun, and sometimes you just need a fun quad, and that's what this is. This is just fun. You remember all the people that have flown the Holy Stone Boltby and how much fun that is? That's the sort of fun and enjoyment I get out of this little quad. It's a bit of fun, and honestly, you can't put a price on fun, I don't think. Well, Holy Stone have, but you know, that's by the by. But literally, it's a fun little quad, shouldn't be taken too seriously, I don't think. I think it is just exactly that, extremely fun, and is something that, if you get the opportunity to buy it for a ridiculously cheap price, I say go for it, because it's a good bit of fun. And honestly, these days, with everything going on, a bit of fun is what a lot of us need. Alright, my friends, I hope that's given you some sort of insight, and hope that that's given you some sort of an idea of whether, if you are considering a very cheap, basic quad for a family member for Christmas, maybe this is something you might want to consider. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and ring that bell too. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.